Welcome back to Sendai, Japan with us, Taylor and Hayato.
Even though the Olympics is now postponed to next year, but Spéir agus Bláth will have its third winner tonight.
That's right. Our 14 lovely international juries are waiting for revealing their vote.
They are from Spain, Czech Republic, Belarus, Faroe Islands, Monaco, Croatia, Lithuania, Greece, Latvia, Azerbaijan, the United Kingdom, Poland, Sweden and our special partnership for this edition, Japan.
Let's start with Spain, calling from Barcelona.
Hi, I am Marta Sango, and I, as well as the Spanish delegation, would like to congratulate the Irish team for such a great show. And without further ado, our 12 is going to the Australian Queen, Meg Mac. Good night.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me now? I want it all back.
Next country is the Czech Republic with Lena Karol in Prague. Ahoy!
I'm not sure what part of the day here is, so hello Japan. I personally find it kinda strange that the Irish selection takes place here. Weird flex, but okay. Anyway, this was an incredible show, well done. And the decision to have only jury vote, amazing, never done before. This way we can prevent shits like the last two winners of ESCZ when thank God those songs are goddamn awful.
I agree. Barbara robbed 2 years in a row.
Anyway, let's move on to the 12 points, which go to Song 2, Fantasia. Good luck and good night. Now we will have Belarus with Harrison Ford. Okay, I think.
Hello Ireland in virtual Japan from a virtual link to something that's supposed to be Belarus. Yikes, I wasn't say that I'm not actually here. I'm chilling in Hollywood and debating how much money I should donate to coronavirus victims, and to other charities. I even donated some to a charity supporting Belarusian music, and I hope that, for example, Naviband will be able to afford to put up posters for their concerts outside Minsk now without selling their car. Anyway, love this, Ireland, Japan, USA, Thailand. Truly appreciated the bops, but 12 points from, wait, Belarus go to as the river flows. I think they're jealous of your sea access.
We will move to an island, with a talent, not with flop pages like us and its Faroe Islands. Greetings, King Hydric.
Good night Ireland, stunning show as always. First, congratulations for your work. It's always great to find artists from all over the world. And now the Faroese votes. But there was a song that really stands out for us, and it's a you. 12 points for you. Congratulations. See you in Brussels.
We crawl through life, we walk.
Fly to another petty pays but successful, which is Monaco. Bon Sawyer.
Bonsoir Ireland, Monaco calling. We are happy helping you to select your next entry. We had many favorites, but our highest score, les 12 points vont a, go to, song number 12, Give Me My Name Back.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me now?
Our calling will go by an Asian from Asia to non-Asian Croatia. Well, sorry for my bad humor. Anyway, here is Eva with us.
Hello Japan. Well, actually, hello world. What a great and diverse selection this has been. I'm sure everyone who watched it couldn't stop being amazed by all the worldwide talents you gave us. But, we had to choose a winner. Our 12 points go to Song 12, Give Me My Name Back. Congratulations and good night.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me?
Next one is On Fire Lithuania. Their spokesperson Justinas makes us on fire too. Oops.
Hello, hi, Ireland. This is one of the countries you hate the most, Lithuania calling. Hopefully this edition our diaspora will make an impact and we'll get some points from Ireland. Anyway, this is vote from Lithuanian jury. And last but obviously not the least, 12 points from the Lithuanian jury are going to a bop. Ireland, please send it. Give me my name back 12 points. Thank you for the show and best of luck.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me?
For now, half of the juries gave us their 12 points, so Aly Ryan will go interviewing with the current top 3 in the green room.
Yes, Taylor and Hayato. I'm Aly Ryan and I'm sad to announce the cancellation of Spéir agus Bláth 3. As I, Aly Ryan, is proud and happy to be selected internally to represent Ireland in Brussels with my God Dear Perfection called Wear Your Love and Win There. Love you, but this is the end. Shut your device and vote for me in Belgium.
Geese. Ali did it again. It's a fake news, I confirm that. Anyway, let's start again with the juries from Greece. Up a Gangnam Style.
Hello Europe, good evening from New York, oh I mean Athens. Here are the results of Greek jury votes. We are so happy to be part of this wonderful national final. Okay, I need back my film set, so our 12 points goes to song number 6, Aly.
The result is exciting, but we will be still breathing because it's Latvia time with Samantha. No, I mean Malinda from Riga.
Girl, we're really going international since they chose me as spokesperson. Anyways, hi to everyone except Aly Ryan. What a great show it was. Might fuck around and put some songs into Google Translate. The jury of Latvia has voted and we are ready to present our favorite. Now, the most important part. Who the hell was our favorite, you may ask? Well, it was a song that stood out the most and definitely deserves to shine in Belgium. It's song number 12, Give Me My Name Back. Good luck and bye.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me?
The following country is Fire, not Ilini, Cyprus but Azerbaijan. And of course, she is the only queen there cause she is Dihaj.
Hello everyone, it's me, back again to present the Azerbaijani votes after we did not vote in the previous edition. The Azeri delegation was suffering from a midlife crisis which led to non-voting, but everything is fine now and we are glad to be back in action to select the next Irish participant for TOSCOK. Enough talking for now, and I can reveal that Azerbaijan has decided to give the 12 points to Norway. Oh sorry, I meant song 2, Fantasia by Secret Garden. Thank you and best of luck.
Next one is our beloved neighbor the United Kingdom and Dodi. Could we have your top points please?
Hello, Ireland. This is your neighbor the UK's calling from London with 0 people thanks to the coronavirus crisis. Great selection you have here. And now, for our 12 points. Our 12 points go to Amy with Break Me. Good luck.
It's gonna break. I got this feeling deep inside of me. Nothing's gonna break me. I got this feeling deep inside of me.
Moving on to Poland, and it's... oh wow, it's not Agata freaking Zarma. God Yana bless us.
Poland has more than one spokesperson? Nobody expected that. Hello Sendai, this is Poland calling and I can confirm that this show was definitely kawaii. There were some very good songs in this lineup, but...
Hello, you motherfucker, why did you lock me in my hotel room? I'm coming for your tits, Paulina.
Oh shit, Agata's coming for me, I'd better run away right now. And with that, Poland is awarding 12 points to the amazing Megmac and her female empowerment banger Give Me My Name Back. Thanks for the show. Oh fuck, Agata's coming.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me?
Poor Paulina. Hope she will successfully escape from nightmare Nagata. The next in line is Okasis. I'm not going to send the mamas to Rotterdam, Sweden, and the winner of 5th edition Esterification.
Hi, it's me, Esther. The show was awesome. Voting was hardcore, but the Swedish jury made a decision and here are our first points. One lucky contestant will receive our 12 points which go to, if he said jump I'd say how high. Neverland. Good luck to everyone.
And now time for the last international jury, Japan. But who is the spokesperson? Well, Cleopatra is a queen like herself.
La Cleopatra.
Hi girls. This national final is already random but will be even more as me. An Azeri queen with zero relation with Japan was chosen as a spokesperson just because of that Nam Myoho Renjikyo verse. Stan me but Stan Victoria's tears getting sober aka 2020 real winner even harder. Anyway, Japanese juries, they decided to give their 12 points to Australian talent Meg Mac. Now go and stream Cleopatra.
Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me now? I want.
And this is how the 14 gorgeous international juries had voted. In the name of Irish delegations, it's a big greatness to have many fantastic broadcasters helping us.
Before we will take a look for the rest of the jury's points, please welcome the winner of Eurovision Song Contest 2020, Leslie Perry Roy with the song Akiyama Hayato. Give her big applause.
A talent. Dublin 2021 is granted but coronavirus stam. Please send her again Ireland. Challenge. Enough. I want to go quarantine again, so let's finish this show.
Start with minus 12 points. Oh, that's harsh. And it goes to song number 3. Sapphire. Walking on Water.
Followed by minus 8 points, and it's for song number 8. Andre. Be My Light.
Just one more point. Minus 7 points is for song number 11. Sarah Pakian. Miss You.
Finally out from the negative points. 8 points. They are for song number 1. Low and Bantam. Summer of Love.
A jump. As it's 22 points this time. They are for song number 4. Amy. Break Me.
One more point again, 23 points. Are for song number 5. Fieldsy. Neverland.
Sixth place of this part, who will get 27 points, is song number 7. Francesco Belmondi. Are You?
Well, I'm so excited. As 5th place gonna get 35 points. That song is song number 10. Wallace Bird. As the River Flows.
4 more points. Amount of 39 points are for. Song number 9. Marie Digby. Vanish. A robbery. Europe, I am confusion.
Which means give me my name back. Fantasia and Aly are the 3 with most points in this part. Anything can change at any time. But the 3rd place of this part with 40 points is Song number 12. Meg Mac. Give me my name back.
That means the 2 remaining songs still have a chance to win. But one of them gets 53 points and the song is Song number 2. Secret Garden. Fantasia.
So it's clear that Aly got the highest score in this part. But will it be enough to pass Meg Mac, the current leader?
Five. Your song is going to get. Going to get. Going to get. Oh, tension level is rising, I know that. Song number 6. 5. Aly. You will get 60 points. Which is not enough to conquer Meg Mac's throne.
And we have the winner. Song number 12. Meg Mac Give Me My Name Back with the final score of 124 points. Meg Mac, please come to the stage right now.
Give Me My Name Back is a song for those who have suffered emotional and physical abuse. It's for the women who are standing up and speaking out, those discriminated against in the LGBTQI community, the Indigenous people of Australia and the children abused by the church. It's for everyone who has lost an important part of themselves and need to reclaim their identity, dignity and self-worth in order to move forward with their lives. I hope my song and message will be given away to every believers in equality of rights. See you in Brussels.
That's a winner speech. She is going to give us her best in Brussels for sure. Thank God Yana for letting talent representing Flopland again.
Even though you won't have a chance to support me, Aly Ryan in Belgium. But you can support Meg Mac and her wonderful message.
So Spéir agus Bláth is going to fly to Australia next time in case we will keep this flop show, of course. But that's a story of future. Now, it's reigning champions victorious time. Please give her your biggest applause to her.
Meg Mac and give me my name back.
Afraid of the moment. Have I forgotten the way to fit in? Drink it all up, they say, drink it all up before it's gone. But I'ma rest up cause I got a long way to go home. But I can't go home without it. But I can't go home without it. Give me my name back. Give me my name back. I guess I'm gonna watch them all fall behind. Cause I know wherever I go, they say drink it all up before it's gone. But I'ma rest up cause I got a long way to go home. But I can't go home without it. I can't go home without it. Give me my name back. What are they gonna call me? Well, give me my name back. What are they